Obviously, there's a little more to running this store than I thought. I just need a few minutes to, figure things out. Ah!
Hey, Des, where's Tsuni?
Ah, my first customer. Tsuni had to roll out for a bit. I'm in charge while she's gone. Pay no attention to the flying comics or the money rain or the hungry plants.
If you say so. Do you think you could help me with something?
Sure, customer service is my jam.
Great. I'm looking for the special edition Lumpy Cat action figure from the limited run issue number 432 when Lumpy Cat loses his socks.
No problem. This bin here is full of Lumpy Cat toys.
Toys? These are action figures. And I'm looking for one that's based on a very rare manga.
Lumpy Cat is based on manga?
Are you joking? I mean, how could you not know about Lumpy Cat?
Uh-oh, what now?
Oh!
Fireball! Don't worry, I'll get you out.
When I get out of here, I am filling out a strongly worded comment card.